Welcome back. This is probably going to be the hardest session. It's very, very challenging. Again, if you have questions with this, please let me know, or you may have to watch a video more than once. We're going to work on the bibliography, which is giving credit to the different sources that you got information from. So what I did to help myself out is I wrote down all the websites that I used. So I have Brainy Quote, I have Wikipedia, Ducksters, I have a book where I got the quote from Amazon.com. So those are all sources that I have on here. And then I have 50states.com for Massachusetts facts. So I think that'd be the first thing you could do. You could pause me right now if you'd like to and just get all the different sites ready for you. Now we're going to go on to EasyBib. So you're going to click on this link for EasyBib. Click again. So this is going to be a little bit of a challenging process. Just have to hang with me. So what we're going to do, and I already have it set so that it's going to a website. You could change this and do it to a book, but most of you are going to be using websites, I imagine. So I'm going to copy the link that I have for Brainy Quote. I'm going to highlight the whole thing, and then I'm doing Control-C to copy it. Then I'm going to go back to EasyBib, and I'm going to do Control-V, and then hit search. These orange buttons are going to be really, really important in this process. Then when you get it's on there, it's going to say Sites. You're going to click on Site. Again, you're going to keep going back to these orange boxes. We're going to scroll down a little bit to where it has an orange box that says Continue, and click on that. And then it's going to take some time to gather information. Again, toward the bottom, it'll say Complete Citation. So I want you to hit that. And then we're going to create a new citation. So again, we're going back to these orange boxes. That's kind of the key to all this. So create a new citation. This is where if you had a book, you could do that. I'm going to click on Website again. I'm going to go back to my previous one. So going back to my slide with Benjamin Franklin information. I'm going to copy my next one. I'm going to highlight it and do Control-C to copy. Then I'm going to go inside this box next to search, click inside of that, hit Control-V, and then hit the orange button for search. I'm going to go through the exact same process. We're going to hit Cite, the orange box, and then hit the orange box that says Continue. And hit Complete Citation. I went past it. There it is. And now at this point, you're probably going to have to click on an ad, unfortunately. So we're going to click the top one where it says View a Sponsor once every 48 hours. So once you do this one time, you should be good and not have to do this again. So it's going to make us watch a video. So you just got to bear with us and sit through this video and watch it. So it could be all kinds of cool things. This case is Ben & Jerry's ice cream. And this will be a one-time thing. Once you get done with the ad, you won't have to go through this again. So we're just about there. Thanks for your patience with this awkward silence. And now the ad is done. So we're going to click on, so it has created our citation, I think, already. So now I'm going to do create a new citation again. Going back to website, I'll just walk you through all of mine. I know this is, some of you at some point probably can stop and do this on your own, but I'm going to highlight this, Control-C, go back to EasyBib, click inside the box next to the search, do Control-V, and then search. The good news is we shouldn't have ads anymore. Hit Cite. Gonna scroll and hit Continue, so you keep going to the orange boxes. And then we have Complete Citation. So we have another one done. And then it goes back to, we're going to create a new citation again. Keep going to website. Going back to my article again. So we have Amazon, so I have 2 more to go. I'm going to Control-C to copy it. Control-V to paste. Search. And Cite. Continue. There's a lot more that you can do this. We're just going to try to go through it as simple as we can. Just keep hitting the orange boxes. I lost this one here. There it is, complete citation. It's making another one. Now we're going to go on to our last one. So we're going to create a new citation. Going to go to website. Go back and get my last one on the next page or down here. So 50 states. Control C. So I highlighted it. Control C. Put it in the box. Control V. Search. Cite. Continue. And then complete citation. And now it has all of our citations since I did it all at one time. That's where I think having all the websites ready to go is really good. You can do copy all. And now it's going to copy all of these. And then we're going to go back to our writing. So if we were doing this on this particular page, we could hit Control Enter. And I'll make a new page, and I can just do Control V and paste all the stuff, and it has all of everything for us. And then you just have to double check that everything is in alphabetical order. I'm not sure if it does that for us automatically. It looks like, so we have Benjamin Franklin, and then quotes, Benjamin Franklin, Wikipedia, so far so good. Biography, Franklin, and we have Massachusetts, so it looks like it's already in alphabetical order for us. If it wasn't, we would just have to highlight the difference. So it starts with a quotation mark and ends with a period. So we could grab this, we could do Control C or Control X and cut it, and then Control V will paste it, just move it to wherever you wanted to. And then you could do Control V and paste it. So here are some other things, again, that can just help you go through this process. So you want to make sure the citations are listed in alphabetical order. So it looks like it does that automatically if you just wait and do all of them and copy it from EasyBib. Here's some helpful shortcuts from the keyboard that you could use. So we have Control X, cuts your work, Control V will paste your work, Control C copies it, and Control Z, if you make a mistake, will undo it. It's just like undoing everything. And this is what I had for mine. So I would copy it underneath bibliography, works cited on my presentation. And here is mine. Here's what it looks like. A lot smaller than what you saw before. So it does not have to be very big. So that, in a nutshell, is how you do this. You may have problems with it. Please let me know if you do. I can guide you through how to use EasyBib and how to put things in alphabetical order. So hang in there. This isn't very easy. You can do this in more than one day if you'd like to, because it is kind of a challenging task. Good luck. Again, keep me in mind if you need any help.